I just wanted to show you a really quick optimization that's been around for ages, but what I've seen in the last few years is not really working to what I wanted it to be, which is dynamic product ads, which is DPA. Basically what they are, if you already know, apologies, I'm going to explain it, but they're ads that dynamically use the catalog to focus on the habits of your users on a website. For example, it could be that they've clicked on a certain product, they've added a certain product to cart, and what this will do is it'll put the product in action in their feed. So yeah, as I said before, like they worked super well 4 or 5 years ago, and you might be seeing in circles that retargeting's fallen off a cliff, and whilst I too agree with this, I think DPA ads have got a really good part to play. So I'll basically just explain how we set them up. I set them up on a CBO, but I've only got one ad set on this campaign, so it doesn't really matter if it's an ABO or a CBO basically. But for now, we've done a CBO. We spend around about $80 a day, which might seem low, but for retargeting, that's pretty sizable because you're gonna go through a lot of your middle of funnel traffic on this budget. And so another thing that I haven't showed you as well is that we need to click catalog. So this is with the assumption that your catalog's up and ready, but we need to click it on. I can do a separate video for another day about how to set up catalogs, but this is with the assumption. So this is for an online program. You might have seen in my other videos, I've got a lot more sophisticated ad set names, so apologies about that. But we're going to set it up for purchase. We're not going to do anything funny about directing traffic ads to the middle of funnel. I don't believe in that, and definitely not for this aspect. We're going to click the product set. So this is for all of our online programs. This is a little bit of a specific one for this brand, is that they have online programs and they have products like direct-to-consumer products. So we'll click online programs, and we're going to create a new audience. We're going to retarget ads to people who have interacted with your products on and off Facebook. We're going to view or add to cart, but not purchased. So this is in the last 30 days. You could do this a little bit higher, maybe like 60 to 90 days if you've got less middle of funnel traffic. But for us, this works pretty well. I tried it for 14 days and the ads didn't work well, and I opened it up to 30. So it's all dependent on your traffic. If you've got a ton of add to cart or a ton of page views, it's going to work at a smaller fraction. But for this type of brand, we're probably spending about $45,000 to $50,000 per month. 30 days works super well. And yeah, we don't add any exclusions or anything like that. It's just all of the people that have viewed our add to cart. And this could be more simple, this ad. It's a carousel ad. We do a slideshow and we have the product name. And we have a complete your purchase using code posture20 for additional 20% off. This is kind of just traditional middle of funnel, bottom of funnel type discount codes. You could seriously argue that this isn't the best body copy, and I would definitely agree. But this is this is kind of what the clients used historically, and it's worked super well. And I'm a firm believer of using things that have worked well. And you can kind of see, like, we're not like retiring ourselves with these results, but you can see, like, I think we started around about 30 days ago. Spent about 2K and generated about 5.3K. So yeah, we're not uprooting anything, and we're not causing like super high profits, but it's a really good addition to your existing ad campaigns. And I know I get a lot of DMs and whatnot of like, why isn't retargeting working? And yeah, it's just a good little income stream for us. We were struggling to kind of convert retargeting, which is really frustrating anyway. But yeah, it's an additional 34 purchases. Kind of see what the AOV is on this. So like $157. Yeah, it's just an extra bit of income. And as we're increasing the top of funnel traffic, I can then also increase the daily spend as well. So yeah, I think the actionable item of this is just to go through this, maybe do a smaller test on your ads, and it could prop up the ROAS for your ad account. So yeah, let me know how it goes. I'm going to be posting this in the school community and my YouTube, so give me a comment on each after you've tested it. Thank you.